Hello everyone, my name is Gleb from DiW. Today is a great day and I would like to tell you more about bespoke watches. Specifically, we're going to talk about a very particular and special piece. It's going to be the Rolex Daytona in carbon fiber military green. So this particular piece can be available upon request. So for you to have an understanding, there's a thin line between custom watches and fake watches. A lot of people might think that a custom watch is not an original watch, and vice versa. So let me explain you some things to make everything clear. If you're an owner of several watches, Rolex watches, if you're an aficionado or a collector, it doesn't matter. You can have your watch to be modified the way you like it. It doesn't mean you're getting a fake or something like that. No, it's not like that. It's more of a tuning. If we somehow compare this topic to custom cars or something similar like that, the process of customization is just incredible. It's not something you get in a couple of days. It's not something you go and get from a boutique. If you want to have your watch customized, you will need to provide it. You will need to, of course, wait several weeks. Usually it's about 6 to 8 weeks to get yourself an incredible, fantastic new piece. No one else is going to have. And you're going to be one of the lucky owners of it. We talk about this particular one. This model is called the military green. It's made and crafted in high-end carbon fiber, making the watch incredibly light. The overall weight of this watch is just about 50 grams. The bezel in carbon fiber has handcrafted gold inserts. The pushers and the winding crown are indeed original out of the Rolex Daytona reference 116503. The hands and the indications in the dial are also original, but of course the dial is handcrafted also as the manufacturer. So you get yourself a piece that is different. You consider yourself different? That's the question. So watches around the world have history. And what's important and what I personally love in watchmaking is the history each timepiece holds. When you get a piece from an independent watchmaker, you're getting history. You're getting the passion and dedication the watchmaker utilizes when creating the watch, the movement, and so on. When you get a piece from a big brand, a Rolex and others, you're pretty much getting the brand itself. You're getting a piece has been mass produced. And you're pretty much going to be one of the million other people around the world with that particular piece. When you get yourself a custom piece, you're being unique. You're getting a special history. You're getting your history that you're gonna trespass through generations. You're getting a piece you can have your kids to wear, have your grandsons, granddaughters to wear, and it's gonna be timeless. It's always gonna be the reminder of your history, the history you put into that particular piece. And there are not gonna be many around. So that's so impressive about bespoke custom watches. DiW watches come with a 7-year warranty, which is 2 additional years of the traditional international Rolex warranty. You're not going to get this kind of warranty at any other piece around. Each watch also comes with 2 additional straps of different sizes that will make the piece perfectly fit into your wrist. It doesn't matter whether you have a small wrist or a big one, maybe you're a sumo or a wrestler, doesn't matter, you will always get the perfect fit for you. You can feel confident about the quality of the watch because the case, the bezel, and the elements, as mentioned before, are all handcrafted with a lot of dedication, takes a lot of time. The movement, you get the 4130 Daytona caliber inside, which indeed it's going to serve you for generations. No doubts. Everything combined together creates just a meticulous piece that's going to be the cherry in your collection. As a big fan of watches and watchmaking, I will be always glad to tell you more about custom pieces, watches overall, And I hope you had a fantastic time. If you have any questions, you can always address them in the comments below. And see you next time.